Xi Jinping, as General Secretary of the CPC, has presented the Friendship Medal of the People's Republic of China to the Communist Party of Vietnam's General Secretary Nguyen Phu Trong. Xi said the medal represents the friendly feelings of the CPC and the Chinese people towards Trong and the Vietnamese people. Xi said the CPC is willing to work with the CPV, led by Trong, to jointly take bilateral relations to achieve greater development. Trong said he will work with the Vietnamese people to continue to deepen the Vietnam-China friendly relations. During talks with Trong, Xi said China is willing to work with Vietnam to speed up alignment of development strategies, enhance connectivity and build a stable system of industrial and supply chains. Xi also said China sees ASEAN as an important region in building the Belt and Road Initiative. Trong said Vietnam will further synergize the Belt and Road Initiative with its 2 corridors and 1 economic circle. The two countries' ties have been boosted by the construction of a China-Vietnam economic and trade cooperation zone in Hai Phong, that's Vietnam's 3rd largest city. Xu Hua has the details.
The China-Vietnam Economic and Trade Cooperation Zone has been seen as a benchmark of the Belt and Road Initiative. Established in 2008, Shenzhen-Shenyue Joint Investment invested $100 million in the project.
The cooperation zone is located at the intersection of the Belt and Road Cooperation Initiative of China and the 2 corridors and 1 circle development plan of Vietnam. It is the first stop of the Maritime Silk Road.
The first phase of the zone, set to be completed this year, is designed with a land coverage of 196 hectares.
All areas of the cooperation zone have been rented out. 35 high-quality enterprises have been successfully introduced, with a total investment of $500 million and the cumulative output value is over $1 billion.
Official data from Vietnam shows the trade between China and Vietnam exceeded $132 billion in the first 9 months of this year, up 10.2% year-on-year. This can be attributed to national and local policies on both sides.
Since the start of this year, Shenzhen Customs has introduced 18 measures to promote the stability and quality of foreign trade and implemented the RCEP agreement in a high-quality manner. Based on local industries, we have accelerated the implementation of policies such as rules on accumulation of origin and tariff reduction, and supported enterprises in expanding into ASEAN markets, including Vietnam.
In the next 5 years, authorities say more cooperation zones will be expanded to provide sufficient space for recruitment.
We will continue to implement the targeted investment strategy, focus on attracting new energy and other green economy enterprises, and build the zone into a demonstration project of China-Vietnam economic and trade cooperation.
As neighboring countries with close trade ties, China and Vietnam are taking advantage of a strong economic and trade cooperation, which guarantees a brighter future for the development of the cooperation zone. Xu Hua, CGTN, Shenzhen.